in this hospital, it's proof that we are not secured. It's proof just.
It's just not safe now.
We have faced the security issue quite a lot of times, but what has happened in this recent times, it's not only about security, it's about the life of a girl.
This is the RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata, Sham Bazaar area. On the morning of August 9th, the body of a 31-year-old trainee doctor was found sexually assaulted and murdered in the emergency building of this hospital.
We want justice! We demand justice!
At RG Kaur Medical College, Bruce spoke to some protesting doctors to understand their demands.
A person who is doing this to a doctor who is on duty, who is doing her duty for 36 hours, who is in one of the safest place, the place where we consider a second home. So you can understand that this can happen at any corner of the hospital. This can happen anywhere.
Our safety is in our hands. There is no safety like we can depend upon that. It's nothing like that. There are lack of security definitely, and the security personnel who is in the gate, he or she is just non-armed. So anybody comes with anything, what they can do? They cannot do anything.
রাতের বেলা তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি দেখতে পাই না আমরা এন্ট্রান্সে এখন অ্যাকচুয়ালি, কিন্তু এখন এটাই মনে হচ্ছে যে হতেই পারতো এটা, বিকজ আমরা তো ডক্টর, বেসিক্যালি আমাদের নিজেদের কাজটা করতেই আমরা এখানে আসি। আর যেহেতু এটা আমাদের হসপিটাল, আমাদের অলমোস্ট সেকেন্ড হোম বলা যায়, আমরা ঢুকে পড়লে কখনো এরকম মনে হয় না যে এরকম কিছু আমাদের সাথে ঘটতে পারে।
Most of the times there is no personnel available or no security guard near a hostel, or even the doors or those things. There's no latch in our doors. So overall the security thing is not good at our.
Junior doctors also told Bruce that there have been multiple times when they have been alone on night shifts.
They too don't have any proper on-call rooms for the consultants or for the PGDs. We used to sleep in and around which are rooms available near to the respective working areas. We have slept inside the storerooms. And like in case of chest medicine, they didn't have any proper on-call rooms for the resident doctors to take sleep.
Usually there are not so many beds. Usually one bed is allotted. So if a female resident is there, there is no scope for other male residents to go and take rest over there. They usually stay inside the OT or they go to another restroom.
The main setback to that is that we don't have restroom in that when we get the night duty, like 12-hour shift duty, that is from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning.
But at least in the main stages where there is the only main doors where there is the only access to the department, or where the main doors where there is the only access to the OT complex, at least there, if the security guards are being provided and they are vigilant, we'll be somewhat safe.
They have to appoint armed personnel at different emergency gates, because any drunken patient party, anything can happen at the night. And also there must be installation of multiple CCTV cameras.
The hospital is open to all. RG Kaur Medical College is located in a place which is supposed to be one of the busiest place in Kolkata, which is the capital of West Bengal. You can see like thousands of people just walk in every day in this college, and we can't say that you can't come in because this is a hospital. We have to treat each and everyone. We have to treat a drunk person as well. We have to treat a normal person as well. So we can't differentiate between the people that you are a criminal and you are not. So obviously the security issue is always there. We have faced the security issue quite a lot of times, but what has happened in this recent times, it's not only about security, it's about the life of a girl.